We caught this hive yesterday. I got home. We left there about 1 o'clock. Got home about 2 or so. Put this box together on the left side. We had taken just part of it with us.
We only had one deep.
Yeah, we only had one deep. So we're gonna try, because we need this vac box to go finish. So we're gonna get in here and see if
They're pulling the dead bees out.
Yeah, moving dead bees out. We left our smoker.
We're gonna have to put ant traps on.
Come light our fire for us. So what we got going on here? We got a little dance going on right there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe cleaning honey off of it.
Yeah, that's what they're doing, cleaning honey off each other.
They clean each other up.
There's 2 or 3 little groups doing that.
Yeah, and they're checking us out because they're back here.
I see a few drones. Only place I got stung yesterday was one got under my shirt. Now.
And Nikki got one and I got
5, yeah. Mama got 5. So
2
anyway.
And 2 in the right hand. I had a fat finger this morning.
Alright, let's see. Wish I had a place to set my camera up. Anyway, I'll just take some more video in a minute. I'll update you guys. We got the GoPro going. Instead. Yeah, I definitely like working with them at night. They don't fly around nearly as much. I hadn't got my bee wings yet.
Got the sugar water.
Alright. There's the box. Eating bees, Creed. There's my hive beetle. Dead hive beetle. There's my crudely designed box with a few bees in it. And let me show y'all something. I am wearing a veil just because I don't like them flying around my ears, in my ears. But we know we don't have the queen, so we're gonna go back, see if we can get the rest of them and find the queen. Oops. Oops. I'm going to have to do a little bit of deleting, or you're going to have a bunch of me spinning around. I forgot I had the camera in my hand. Anyway, look.
Do we have another frame?
Just roll. Another frame loose. No, I added that to the, and that's okay. For my box, that'll be fine.
Except for the way they'll slide back and forth, and then they don't want to stay on the...
Alright, well, we'll figure something out. Anyway, that's my hive. It's just amazing the difference in the size of the drone right there on. He's the drone. He just flew off. Here's 2 more drones and 1 queen. Just crazy. Did we kill? No, he's eating. She's eating. So, alright, we're gonna go back to lake. It's an hour away. It's already sunset. We're gonna get there at dark, which makes finding the queen even harder. But we're gonna vac, see if we can't get her, and the rest of the bees and the rest of the comb. Then 15 minutes later, and look how calm it is out here. They've all gone in their box. Say all. Most of them. Got a few checking me out. Alright, we're headed to lake. Gonna get there after dark.